Today afternoon, I will cook the meal. The new meal, the name is stir-fried pork slices with the pickled vegetables. First is prepare some of the pork, and it's pickled vegetables, and it's the old bean curd, and garlic leaves, and garlic. Next time I will cut everything. Okay, first I use the knife to cut a slice of the as a pork. 5, 6, 7, 8. But the slice of the pork is too long. I will use the knife as half cut. Okay, that's nice. Next time I will pick the two old bean curd, dry bean curd. Is cut into the triangle cutting, just like the shape is the triangle. And this garlic leaves. Look at the stem. Is use the knife with the handle is hit fly. It's just like a cut this long is enough. Okay. This garlic seed is too small, and it's taken out of the shell. It's a waste of the time. Next time I think I just boil is enough. First is get fly and almonata is cut into the shredded. Cut into shredded. This preserved vegetable is thrown into this plastic basket. Use the water is brush it. Maybe it's inside is salty. Next time I will bring everything to the kitchen. Now I'm is in the kitchen. First is open this kitchen fan, kitchen light. And the next time is this is a fried fast meal. It's the needle is bigger the fire. The 7-star is the 7-star stove, gas stove. I need it's oven 8. Okay, next time is the rabbit. Put down some of the rapeseed oil. First is fry the slice of the pork. Okay, slice of the pork is keep it fried in. Each one the slices of the pork is touches the other. Next time, let's add some of the yellow wine. Looks the just add rapeseed oil is too many. Just like enough. The yellow one is not a need. Put down the cut into the minced garlic seed. Just keep it fried. And put down this preserved vegetable, keep it fried. The next time is put down this cut into the triangle the dry bean curd. Next time, add us half a spoon of water. One spoon of Ajinomoto. The sugar. Let's keep it a Friday. The next time is to put down a cut over the garlic leaves. It's add some of the water. Okay, this meal is cooked over. The stir-fried pork sliced with the pickled vegetable. But the next time, I think I should don't is cooked this meal is shooting the English video. It's so hard. I just it's the shooting the video. It's short and it's outside every day. This special or the strange thing. Okay, so that's it.